Good morning, class 2. Today we will do chapter 8 of moral science. Okay. Now, in this chapter, beta, we will study about environment, preserving the environment, how we can preserve our environment. All right. Now, see page number 37 in your book. Okay. Now, environment is the natural world of land, sea, air, and animals. Now, we can see the natural world, like in natural world we can see the natural things. These are land, sea, air, plants and animals. Okay, these are the natural things. It is the most important gifts of nature. Now these are the most important gifts of nature. Our environment refers to the natural things in our surroundings. Now in our environment, these are natural things. Okay, our environment is surrounded with natural things. Okay, environment gives us land to live, air to breathe. Now we live on land and we breathe in through air. Water to drink. Now water is for drinking. Plants for food. Now we grow plant for food. And animals to serve us. Now animals helps in different ways to us. Okay. So now these are the natural things which are necessary and which are helpful for us. Now we cannot count the benefits of nature. Now these are countless. We cannot count the benefits of nature. Hence, it is our duty to care for it and protect it. Now, these natural things helps us to live in world. So we should protect it, and this is our responsibility to protect it. Okay. Can you say, are we protecting our environment or harming it? Now we should see that we are saving, we are protecting, or we are harming our environment. Pollution is the biggest enemy of environment. Now pollution is the biggest enemy, means pollution makes environment, do not protect our environment. Now chimneys of factories and see page number 38. Chimneys of factories and exhaust of automobiles are polluting the air with poisonous gases. Now these factories and exhaust of automobiles, they pollute the air and they deliver the poisonous gases. Now people are cutting tree for wood and fuel. People are throwing rubbish in the rivers. Animals and birds are killed for different uses. Now beta, people cut trees, okay, and for wood and fuel. Now these all pollute the environment. If we will cut tree, then we will not get the fresh air, or we will not be able to breathe properly. People are throwing rubbish in the rivers. So when we throw anything rubbish in the rivers, water get polluted. Animals and birds are killed for different uses. If we will kill animals and birds, we will not get any help from these. Now if we continue to do such things, we will suffer. Now when we will continue to do these things, we will suffer. We will not get pure drinking water. Now we will not be able to get pure drinking water. There will be no fresh air to breathe. If we will cut trees, then there will be no fresh air to breathe. The beauty of this world will be ruined, and we will be responsible for it. Now beta, now we are responsible for the beauty of the world. We should preserve it. However, nowadays people are showing some awareness. Nowadays people have started saving the earth and they are showing some awareness. They are planting trees. Okay, people are planting trees now to save our earth. Various measures are being taken to safeguard not only the environment but also the wild animals. Now people are taking some measures, okay, to save our environment but also the wild animals. They are doing some measures to save the wild animals also. National parks and wildlife sanctuaries are made to protect the wild animals. Now they are making national parks and wildlife sanctuaries to protect the wild animals. Okay, we must try our best to keep the environment clean and beautiful. We should try the measures which are necessary to save the and to save environment and to keep the environment clean and beautiful. Small and simple steps taken by us protect the environment. If we will take small steps and simple steps to protect the environment, we should take that. We should preserve its serenity for the coming generation. Now we should preserve the environment for the coming generation. Okay, this was the explanation regarding environment, how we can save environment. We should save, we should plant trees. Okay, we should preserve it, and we should take measures to save our environment, because if with the environment only we can live, because environment gives us land to live, air to breathe, water to drink, and what is there, plants for food. Okay, we should preserve it. Now this is our earth, this is our earth, care for it, we should care for it. Now here is one story in this chapter. In her holidays, Neha went to Chennai with her parents. Now Neha is a girl, she went to Chennai with her parents in holidays. After visiting many places, they went to the beach. Now they, after visiting, when they visit many places, they went to the beach. Neha was very excited. Neha was excited when she went to beach. She saw the beach for the first time. Now she was at the beach for the first time. When they reached there, Neha was surprised to see many people cleaning the beach. Now Neha was surprised to see that many people are cleaning the beach. Now she asked father, what are these people doing? Now she asked her father, what are these people doing? Her father said, उसके पापा ने कहा, today is the World Environment Day. Her father said, today is World Environment Day. So on the World Environment Day, they are cleaning the beach. That is why they are cleaning the beach. Okay. But father, what will happen if they don't do this work? Now Neha asked, what will happen if they don't do this work? Asked Neha. Neha asked to her father that if they will not clean beach, then what will happen? Okay. Now see, Neha, the beach will become dirty and people will not come here. Now her mother said, if they will not clean the beach, then beach will become dirty and people will not come here. Oh mom, you are right, replied Neha. Now Neha said, Mom, you are saying right. Then come, let us join these people and help them to clean this place. Now Neha said, now we should also join these people and clean this place. This is our world, let's take care and make it clean. Now her mother said, this is our world and we should clean it. Okay, said the mother. Okay, mother said to Neha that we should also help them in cleaning the beach. Okay, now moral of the story is there, beta. This is our earth, we must keep it clean. Okay, this is our earth, we must keep it clean. Okay, now all of you read this chapter carefully. Okay, thank you.